How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, TikTok does provide us a feature that allows us to see our profile viewers and visitors in the past 30 days. However, for some reason, this feature is not available for everyone. So some people have it while others don't. So if you are one of the few unlucky ones that does not have this feature, how can you get it? Now, there are some stuff that you need to keep in mind before you try to get this feature. The first thing is that, as with any TikTok update or new feature, TikTok starts to slowly rolling out this feature to creators till eventually everyone gets it. So, as time goes by, more and more creators will be able to get this feature, and eventually everyone will have it. And also, you need to keep in mind that this feature uh, is only available if you have uh, less than 5,000 subscribers and you are over 16 years old. So, if you have more than 5,000 subscribers, or if you are younger than 16 years old, you will not unfortunately be able to have this feature, as TikTok tells us right here. As you can see, these are the requirement. Number three, it says you must be 16 years of age and or older and have less than 5,000 followers to have access to this feature, which is the profile view. So if you are not one of these two cases and you can't wait till you eventually get it and you want to have it right now, here's what you need to do. The first thing, you need to update your TikTok app to the latest version. And if you still does not have it by then what you need to do is you need to open your account and navigate to your profile page right here. Then click on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, and here scroll down till you find the section that says support and about. Then click on report problem. And on this page right here, scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. And as soon as you do that, you will get to this page right here. And essentially what you will try to do is you will message the TikTok support team and asking them to enable this feature on your account. Give them whatever reason you have. To each person is different reasons. Say for example, it's important for your audience or marketing strategy or analytics or anything like that. You can even include a screenshot or a video where the missing profile views feature is. And once you do that, say for example you write anything, click on submit to submit your request, and after a while, it might take few business days. It's different for everyone. They should get back to you to solve your problem. And unfortunately, this is the only solution as of right now. So that was it for this video. That's how you can fix the missing profile view feature on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.